Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to toast chocolate brioche. So whenever I have chocolate brioche in the house, either from the grocery store or my favorite bakery, I always like to get the one that's stuffed with lots of chocolate inside. And I can't really put it just directly into the toaster because as it toasts, the chocolate will melt all over my toaster. Not a good look. So instead I've devised a little tiny plan, and I'm going to show you right now. So I first start with a sheet of parchment paper. I like these flat sheets of parchment paper because they fit a half sheet pan and they lay flat and I don't have to wrestle around with that roll of parchment in the drawer. So I first cut a strip of parchment paper a little bit wider than the brioche loaf. Let me show you. Here's my half-eaten brioche loaf because I've been hungry lately. And then I'm going to cut a slice of brioche that will easily fit the width of my toaster. So mine is a little over an inch, which is not a bad little snack there. And then I'm just going to put it onto the parchment paper, fold the parchment paper up, and then et voila, you have this perfect little package. So now what I do, put it into the toaster, just like this, and then toast it. And I already happen to have one already finished. So the parchment gets all charred, but inside is perfectly toasted chocolate brioche that can make any day into an extraordinary day. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and head over to marksievers.com where you can get more recipes, entertaining ideas, and information about my books. Until next time, bye guys. I have brioche to eat. So good, you guys. Bye.